While visiting different school gardens, I ran into some different organizations like Fresh Roots Urban Farm.
Right now we're harvesting Mizuna, and we're making bunches. And we harvested like a salad mix and beets, and we got a few other things, but that's for right now. That's what we're pulling out of the garden here.
What group are you with?
Fresh Roots Urban Farm.
And they do this all over the city?
Yeah, this is our like flagship school garden, I guess you could say. And we also do it in backyards and front yards, like private property. Yeah, so I guess part of the relationship between what we're doing here and the school is that they can use the garden for a curriculum. And so lots of times the kids will come out with their teachers and just for different classes, right? And they'll use the garden space to facilitate that learning. And we also on a weekly basis directly facilitate with the kids. Like they have kind of a garden area that they can plant whatever they want and use, and we help them, and they come up with like different themes every week. And
what do you do in the summer?
So in the summer, and I mean that's part of the main thing is that there isn't really anyone stewarding the school gardens in the summer. And that's how we first got involved with this garden, was that we offered the I guess the service of keeping it going and happening in the summer when normally there aren't school staff around to look after it, and they're just too busy with, you know, the task of educating kids, right? So they use us to keep the garden going, and then they use the garden for education purposes, and then we directly help with that as well. So yeah, through the summer we just grow. Like our hoop that, and actually another thing that we've been doing is workshops and building these with students at there's like a summer program called Soil, which is a collection of like high school students that are involved in, want to become involved in gardening and whatever, and they kind of go around, they actually tend school gardens through the summer. And then they also learn, part of that was that we did a couple of workshops, and one of them that we did was we built these kind of hoop houses with them, like not these exact ones, but we helped them learn how to build these hoop structures, which are, for our growing climate, very useful because we get, you know, it's cold, so especially in the spring, and already now it's pretty chilly out, so it really helps things along. But the idea is that it's got like two legs so that you can get into a bed from either side, and so it just flip it down one side, and one person can do it super easily too, right? And then you just flip it up. So